Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm going to teach you a hairstyle. Actually I was watching on Instagram, so I came through a photo of Sonam Kapoor sharing her hairstyle. It was traditional one, wore on a sari. So I decided to give it a try. Just saw it and just got these steps into my mind, and I decided to try it. So today again I am going to share a hairstyle for traditional clothes, so keep watching. So okay, first things first, please comb your hair properly and don't keep any गठान को क्या बोलते हैं, I don't know. Okay, so comb it very properly and okay. So first step is that we are going to make partition from any side you want. I'm going to take it from my middle side. Okay. I have washed my hair yesterday only, so they are now smooth, silky, and little bit rough also. Okay. So after this, now we are going to make two French braids. I think they are called as. I sometimes uh, I sometimes get confused between all these things. So we are going to make two French braids from our eyebrow side from front. Okay. So we'll start from our my right side. Okay. So take hair from your ear. Taken. Okay. Now start braiding from the starting. Okay. Make two partitions, divide it properly. Then 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 take some part from the right partition and put it into the left partition. Now take some part from your left partition and take it into your right partition. Now continue till you reach your ear. Okay. I'm going to show you some of it. You could see this. See this. Okay. If you want, you can also pull out some hair, but I won't be doing it. Okay, so as you can see, I have braided both the braids. Okay, so we are now going to now. Okay, the braid should be half. If you have long hair, then make sure that you at least make the braids till your ear. Okay, both the braids. So because we are going to crisscross it in the back. Now further, okay, sorry. Now further, we are going to take all these hair and tie it into a low ponytail. Okay. Make sure you take all the hair, don't leave any of them. Okay. Oof. It might take some time, but please have patience to do a hairstyle. It's not easy every time to do. Okay, so I have tied a ponytail. Now we are going to take out hair from your crown part. Okay, so let me just take it out. Okay, so I have taken out hair from my crown part. Okay, so actually I really don't like teasing, so I never do it. If you want, it is your wish, you can continue with teasing. Okay, so next thing, we are going to tie a braid out of these hair, a 3-strand normal braid. Okay. Okay, so put the braid till end. Oh, sorry. Put the braid till end. My ends are every time horrible. Okay. Now, so now we are going to make a bun out of it, a low bun here. Okay. So take it, make a round. Now attach bobby pins and U-clips to it. Okay, so I have put the braid into a bun. So I'm going to show you what length. Okay, see, you can see. If you want, you can also adjust your bun into whatever height you wanted. So this was my size. Okay. Okay. So next we are going to take these two braids and overlap it around uh, upwards towards the braid, sorry, towards the bun. Okay, sorry. Okay. Now take this, take out the clip. Now take it back and cross it over. Okay. So this was my right side. I crossed it over towards my left. Okay. So from right to left. Okay. Now the leftover head should be put into circular manner. Take a bobby pin or U-clip, whatever you want. I took a U-clip and just put it into the bun. Okay, so the same with the another braid. Take it out. Okay, now take it, cross it over to the another side. Okay, now roll it. Okay, now let me check it. How is that? Okay, did it start? Yes. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now I am going to show you the hairstyle from the back and both the sides. So please have a look. Okay, so this is my left side. This is my left side. You can see the braid going. Okay, then this is the back. Okay, you can see the braids being overlapped here. Okay, so yes, this was the hairstyle. So if you like my video, please hit that like button and tell how it was, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I would be keep showing you more hairstyles. And please don't worry, it really it is not at all hard, but yes, it really needs practice. Don't go without practicing. Okay, it really needs practice. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I would be meeting you in my next video. So bye.